Hello, Comforters Game Adventures. I'm so playing another reaction video. The first thing reaction is I am very sorry for taking so long to upload. I lost my charger for my phone, had to use mom's charger, and we were out all day and learning phone books again. So yeah, that happened. But yeah, I am about to start the video of Mikey who is releasing Timber by Pitbull featuring Kesha, and I'm selling Family Guy voices. I just went out on my Bolts like a few days ago, so this video started. Before the video, as always, thank you all for all supporting the channel, it means a lot, and again, thank you for backing me up. Okay, I have the channel ready. Let's do this. Oh, it wants to start.
This one's for you, Brian.
That's not true.
It's going down.
It's going down.
I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance.
Giggity.
Let's go tonight. You won't remember. I'll be the one. You won't forget.
That does sound like them.
The bigger they are, the harder they fall. These biggity boys are diggity dogs. I haven't like Miley Cyrus, clothes off, twerking in the bras and thongs. Timber, face down, booty up. Timber, that's what we like. Say what? Timber, thicker than an oil spill. She say she won't, but I bet she will. Bring your partner around.
That doesn't sound like him.
One more time.
Another round, and the night is going down. And I'm on the round, and the night is going another round, and the night is going down. And now in Timber,
You better move.
you better move.
You better dance.
Giggity.
Let's go tonight. You won't remember.
I love this.
You won't
I love Stewie.
Peter, are you eating those?
Oh my god, that was so funny and so, oh my god, so funny time. Really, I am surprised how well he is at doing all those impressions. I actually never seen, like, them do those impressions so well before. Like, I can only do, like, hey, I cannot even do, earlier, I was able to do, like, a few months ago or a year ago, I was able to do Herbert pretty well, the old guy. I cannot do, I tried to remember my voice and I had to do. Whatever. But I really gotta go, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, why don't you like it, now. So just hit that like button over there, down there. Camera is present in the right line, and then I have the first place that you just take over there and there. There are all these guys there, I can all